Hey there, Katherine Burik here from the Interview Doctor. Today we're going to talk about being a LinkedIn all-star to supercharge your job search. Gone are the days when job search consisted of sending out your resume in response to job postings. That kind of an effort has about a 6 to 9% chance of success. I mean, somebody's going to get the job, but the odds of it being you are slim, maybe slim to none. So the best way to get a job these days is through networking. Networking yields for most professionals a 60 to 80% chance of getting a job. So the question becomes, how do you utilize LinkedIn to do some networking? Well, the first thing you want to do is to increase your chances that you're going to be found by becoming a LinkedIn All-Star. And that means that your LinkedIn profile is rated as an All-Star level. There are several things that you can do to increase the chances that you are at LinkedIn All-Star. First of all, you want to have a professional headshot, a profile picture that really doesn't look like that looks professional, right? So you don't want to have a picture of yourself that you've cropped somebody else out of the picture, or someone's hands appears on your shoulder, or you're wearing your bridal veil. That's just not professional. There are very inexpensive ways to get a professional headshot. Go to JCPenney during the day when the children are in school, and you'd be surprised that those kinds of folks are actually professional photographers. You can take a very decent photograph if you don't have a lot of money. So you also want to have a good headline under your name so that people will understand who you are. That's important. You want to have your experience section completely filled out with several positions, including the description section. You want to have as many skills in the skills and endorsement section as you can. Now, this doesn't have to be organically generated. You can select the skills that you want to put into the section. Just think of your keywords and keep adding skills. You're allowed up to 50, 50. So take advantage of that because it adds to your ability to be an all-star. You want to have an about section. It used to be called a summary. You want to have an about section. Merely having it with some words in it, some description of who you are and what you want, will add to your all-star status. You want to fill out your education with as many of your degrees as you have, and courses if you want to add those as well. And then you need at least 50 connections, 50. So if you have less than 50, you're hopefully very new to LinkedIn, but get as many as you possibly can as quickly as possible. Don't miss an opportunity to become an all-star because it will expand your ability to be found on LinkedIn. Check out the Interview Doctor's shy tips for networking success so that you can network with confidence on LinkedIn. This is Katherine Burik. I'll talk to you again soon.